CNCer, Scott here, good for CNC Labs. If you're used to watching any of the channel's content, especially the stuff where I'm in it, you're used to seeing the inside of one of my happy places, inside my shop. You know, it's a converted barn and it's pretty hard to complain about. However, when I started throwing the idea around with Andy and the powers that be of, hey, could I bring my job on the road?
No.
I got a pretty, positive response that said, as long as you get your job done, we don't care really where you work. So I took that when I ran with it, and I ran all the way up to what I affectionately call my happy place. And I mean, it's pretty easy to see why. Hold on, let's change this. I'm not used to this whole camera and other thing, but this is our happy place. It's not ginormous, but it allows us to get on the water. We get to do some fishing. I'm probably looking at the wrong screen and Louie's gonna yell at me, but you know what? When you're trying to do 2 things at once, which is more than like 10 things at once for me, doesn't work. So for at least a couple of projects this summer, I'm gonna take my CNC and I'm gonna pack it up and I'm gonna go on the road and I'm gonna teach you guys or show you guys all the cool things that you can do from a very small footprint of a shop. So there's definitely that part to Cottage Country CNC, and we're still gonna do the same fun things. We're still gonna teach you stuff. We're still gonna show you all the things you need to know, but we're just gonna do it from, lakeside. So if you walk through here, you'll see that we've got a pretty splendid view. We're sitting on our own little tiny piece of property, and it works out pretty nicely, As beautiful a view as it is, it does actually get better. That is where we are going to be working from for, here and there this summer. It's about an 8 by 10, 12, somewhere in there sized former coffee deck that I have now taken over, and instead of the neighbors getting to listen to birds sing, they're going to get to listen to my CNC sing. And if you're wondering why it's wobbling, it's because the mosquito just attacked me. So, it's not big by any means, but you can fit a 30 by 30 all in that space. And really and truly, that's about all you need. We got a laptop set up with a little table and obligatory comfy chair, dirty comfy chair. And we have a 30 by 30 sitting lakeside, which is pretty awesome, I have to say. That's about it, guys. Cottage Country CNC is in existence now. It is a thing. I'm going to be doing my usual. I'm going to do my best to bring you guys fantastic content that helps you, that teaches you, hopefully is a lot of fun, and you can probably get a laugh at me making mistakes along the way because I tend to make a lot of them. We are going to jump right into a project. We've already got one planned and ready to go. Most of the stuff that we're going to do up here is probably going to be geared towards some sort of cottage country, cottage-y, trailer-y, take it as you will. Yes, so most of it's going to be kind of, cottage-themed stuff just to keep it in the heart of awesomeness. So that's about it, guys. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope you're liked and subscribed and you're linked and clicked and dinged and all the things. Stick around. Cottage Country CNC coming at you.